Chemical engineers are the architects of our molecular world. They transform raw materials into innovative products we use every day. Hi, welcome to AI-Edtech Job Seeker channel. I will tell you what is chemical engineer and how to become a chemical engineer, and what is job responsibilities as a chemical engineer, how to get package as a chemical engineer. Today we will tell you what all this is in detail, so stay with us till the end of the video. Imagine medicines, plastics, and sustainable energy sources. These advancements are often the result of chemical engineering. They are problem solvers, using their knowledge of chemistry, physics, and math to design and improve processes. Chemical engineers work in diverse industries. Their work impacts our lives in countless ways. From developing new battery technologies to creating safer food packaging, their contributions are essential. Chemical engineering is a challenging yet rewarding field. Becoming a chemical engineer requires dedication and a strong educational foundation. The first step is a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from an accredited university. This rigorous program typically takes 4 years to complete. Students delve into subjects like chemistry, thermodynamics, and process control. Hands-on experience is crucial. Many students participate in internships or co-op programs. This allows them to apply their knowledge in real-world settings. After graduation, some chemical engineers pursue advanced degrees. A master's or doctorate can open doors to research or specialized roles. Continuous learning is key in this ever-evolving field. Chemical engineers have diverse job responsibilities. They design and develop new processes for producing chemicals, fuels, and materials. They troubleshoot problems in existing plants and optimize production efficiency. Safety is paramount. Chemical engineers ensure processes are safe for workers and the environment. Their work extends beyond the lab. Some chemical engineers work in offices, designing plants and conducting simulations. Others travel to different locations, providing technical support or overseeing construction projects. Communication and teamwork are essential skills. Chemical engineers collaborate with scientists, engineers from other disciplines, and business professionals. Section 4. Chemical engineering. A rewarding career with competitive compensation and benefits. Chemical engineering is a rewarding career path. It offers competitive salaries and excellent benefits. The median annual salary for chemical engineers in the United States is around $108,000. Salaries can vary based on experience, location, and industry. In addition to salary, most chemical engineers receive comprehensive benefits packages. These typically include health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Job security is another advantage. The demand for skilled chemical engineers remains strong across various industries. Section 5. Shaping the future. The impact and importance of chemical engineers in the modern world. Chemical engineers play a pivotal role in shaping the future. They are at the forefront of developing sustainable solutions to global challenges. From creating new energy sources to reducing pollution, their work impacts our planet's health. They are also instrumental in advancing healthcare. Chemical engineers develop new drug delivery systems and design medical devices. Their innovations improve the lives of millions. As our world faces complex issues like climate change and resource scarcity, the demand for creative and dedicated chemical engineers will only continue to grow. Section 6. Conclusion. Embarking on a journey of innovation and progress as a chemical engineer. A career in chemical engineering is a journey of innovation and progress. It's a field that demands creativity, problem-solving skills, and a passion for improving the world around us. From developing life-saving medicines to creating sustainable energy solutions, chemical engineers are shaping the future. If you are driven by curiosity and a desire to make a tangible difference, chemical engineering could be the perfect path for you.